I will show you how to backup your Shopify store in a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. I'm actually going to show you two different methods you can backup and restore your Shopify store very easily. Firstly, you will need to have a Shopify plan, of course, so I want to let you know about this special offer running right now. I will leave a link in the description below with this special offer that will get you any Shopify plan for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive plan, which is normally almost €400 per month. I got it for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. And you even get 3 days of Shopify completely for free. So it's the best way to try Shopify and don't spend a lot of money. So you can choose any plan you want and you will just spend €3. So don't forget to use the link in the description. So you can do this with an app or you can do it manually. The first method will be doing it manually. So you just need to go to products and then right here go to export and you will export everything like this and export. This will download a file and you will need to do it with your customers as well. It's the same process. And then go to online store, go to your theme, click right here and download the theme file. So this will download the theme files and send them to your mail. Then whenever you want to restore or import the information of your store again, just go to import theme and upload the file. Same thing with the customers, just click right here, click import and add the file, and that's it. Now if you prefer doing this with an app, this is much easier. So you just need to search right here at the top, and there are a lot of different apps, but the one I know is called Rewind Backups, or you can go to the Shopify App Store right here, and then just search for backups, and you should find a lot. So this is the one I know. This will offer a lot of different features like real-time backups, restores, and much more. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.